Every second, someone clicks buy now. A new shirt, a shiny phone, a gadget we probably don't even need. But what if every product came with a hidden price tag? One that listed how much water was used, how much carbon was released, and whose hands made it possible. Because the real cost of everything we buy is far more than what's written on the label. Let's start with something simple, a plain cotton t shirt. A plain cotton t shirt might cost around 500. Cheap, right? But to make that one t shirt, it takes around 2700 liters of water. Enough for one person to drink for 3 years. The cotton might be grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, dyed in Tirupur, stitched in Bangladesh, packed and shipped halfway around the world. When we throw it away, it doesn't just disappear. Most of it ends up in landfills, taking decades to decompose. We live in the age of fast everything. Fast fashion, fast tech, fast food. We buy 60% more clothes than we did 15 years ago. But we don't keep them half as long. Companies launch new phones every year and we rush to upgrade. Not because the old ones broke, but because we feel left behind. The truth is, this buy, use, throw culture isn't just hurting our wallet, it's draining the planet. Every product we buy has a footprint, a story of extraction, energy, and emission. From mining metals for electronics to cutting forest for packaging to burning fuel for global transport, every stage leaves a mark. The fashion industry alone creates 10% of global carbon emission, more than all international flights and shipping combined. And when we throw away our gadgets, we create over 50 million tons of e waste every year. Hidden inside every purchase is a small piece of the planet we'll never get back. Behind every cheap product is an often unseen worker who pays the price. The woman stitching your t-shirt might be earning less than 300 a day. The child mining cobalt for your smartphone battery might just be 10 years old. The waste picker handling your discarded plastic might not even have gloves. We rarely see their faces, but they carry the true cost of our convenience. There's another cost we don't talk about, the psychological one. We are told that happiness can be bought, that new equals better. But that feeling fades fast, and all that's left is clutter, guilt, and debt. We have confused ownership with identity and consumption with progress. But it doesn't have to stay this way. Across India and the whole world, a quiet revolution is happening. People are buying less, choosing better, supporting ethical brands like No Nasties, Bare Necessities, Brown Living, or The Better Home. They repair, rent, reuse, swap. They understand that sustainability isn't about perfection, it's about intention. You don't have to be an activist to make an impact. Start small, but start today. Pause before you buy. Do you really need it? Buy quality. Choose things that last. Support local. Reduce travel miles. Repair, recycle, reuse. Give your things a second life. Ask questions. Hold brands accountable. Because every rupee you spend is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. The next time you buy something, remember, you are not just spending money, you are shaping the future. The true cost of everything we buy may be hidden, but awareness is the first step to change. Buy less, choose well, make it last.